Okay, so I don't know if you remember or not, I had picked up 3 Facebook specials, 3 mid-century modern dressers. And here's one of them. I pulled out the drawers right here, and lo and behold, latex paint, which all it ever does is ball up, and it just causes a lot of problems. But underneath has a really nice wood, so you can see the wood there. So I don't know, maybe it's a laminate. It's probably a laminate, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna strip it. I'm gonna strip it off. So right now let me show you what I did. I'm using this right here, citrus strip. It has no smell, so I'm using it in the house. There's no smell, no chemicals, no strong stuff. So you just paint it on, and they say it's really super easy to get off. In 30 minutes you start scraping. So I'm going to be doing the drawers, and we'll see what happens after that, and I'll keep you posted. Okay, it's a nice cool morning, and I'm out here on my patio, and I'm getting ready to sand down the black mid-century dresser. I had stripped the black paint off. That was latex paint, and there is the top, which is laminate, but I am going to be scuffing that up with 80 grit sandpaper so that the paint will be able to adhere to stick to it better. And then here's where the drawers were, and as I showed you before, the drawers are already stripped and sanded down. I did get that one sanded, so it's ready to be painted on that side, but we do have a ding right here that I'll have to be fixing with Bondo. And then this down here, there's going to be some work down here. I'm going to bring it inside when I get ready to do that on there. So yeah, it's coming together little by little. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing some sanding. All prepped and everywhere to go, except I wasn't able to get to the feet, so that's why it's up like this. Of course, we've got some damage here, and I'm going to be using some wood plastic to fill that in. And then there's a little bit of a damage right there on the corner. I'm going to shape that up with that wood plastic. And then over here on the other side, we've got some damage there on the side. We're going to use Bondo on that and wood Bondo on this. 2 little things there. And of course, all the legs are super, super tight, in good shape, except this leg is a little loose, and I'm going to have to do some tightening. I think the screw is somewhere in there. I'm going to have to tighten that up and get that tight so that it can be nice and sturdy and ready for its new home. So I've painted the sides. It's still up on the counter. And the paint that I used is going to need a second coat. And I'm also going to use the bigger paintbrush. But the paint that I used was 3 colors. I took Little Black Dress, Hey Sailor, and Blue Iris DIY paint. And it looks a little brown in here, but it's actually a pretty blue. So I'm going to be putting another coat on because obviously it needs it. But right now what I'm going to be doing is painting the legs, and I'm going to be using Golden Ticket by DIY Paint. It's a liquid patina and it's beautiful shimmer, because I love the shimmer. Look at that. Hopefully the lighting is good. But I'm going to be painting these mid-century legs in this Golden Ticket. And the handles are going to be gold. So it's going to look really classy when it's all done. So there you have it. Golden Ticket for the mid-century modern legs.